Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So we are back with our lecture series, and today we'll be talking about the types of polymers. Polymer chemistry में एक important topic है when it compares to the when we look for the different types of components in the polymer chemistry. एक important topic है, that is the types of polymers. और इसमें अक्सर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है whether it is any competitive exam or whether it is any undergraduate or postgraduate type of exam. So polymer chemistry में जो types of polymers है वो बहुत सारे types है. उसमें एक type है that we'll discuss today. So the type of polymer or the types of polymers which we are going to discuss today, that is the polymers which based on the source. यानी हमारे पास जो पॉलीमर है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल लुक एट द पॉलीमर जस्ट few seconds. Polymer is basically, we have a part called as a poly. It's composed of poly and the mer. That's composed of mer. Poly means many and mer means units or parts. तो पॉलीमर एक लॉन्ग चेन मॉलिक्यूल होता है जिसमें many monomeric units, many individual units are joined together to form a big molecule, to form a long chain molecule or a macromolecule. So polymer में many monomeric units are joined together to form a long chain structure. So they are called polymers. और polymers में they have a huge applications in the day-to-day life. So यहाँ पे we'll stop here. We'll move straight to the types of polymers. So आज हम पढ़ेंगे the classification of polymers based upon the source. What do you mean by that? Based upon the source means हमारे पास जो पॉलीमर्स होते हैं, जो पॉलीमरिक मटेरियल होते हैं, वो पॉलीमर कहाँ से आता है, हमारे पास कौन सा सोर्स है जहां से हम वो पॉलीमर ऑब्टेन करते हैं. सो बेस्ड अपॉन द सोर्स आवर पॉलीमर कैन बी, इट कैन बी अ नेचुरल पॉलीमर, it can be a synthetic polymer, or we can have another classification, that is the semi-synthetic polymer. जैसे मैंने पहले भी ये बात डिस्कस की है प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू गो इन द कंसाइज्ड मैनर so that which is the requirement of our exam. I will discuss the basic and important points, or rest of you can easily understand. So based upon the source, हमारे पास जो available sources है जहां से हम polymer obtain करते हैं, so based on the source our polymers can be natural polymer, synthetic polymer or a semi-synthetic polymer. Natural polymer इस तरह word से ही understand होता है कि it's obtained from the nature, that is it's obtained from plants and animals. You can obtain this from either plants or animals, so that's called as a natural polymer. And one of the best example of natural polymer is natural rubber. And natural rubber जो है, it is one of the the striking examples of the natural polymers. And what it is actually, इसमें monomer unit क्या होता है, जो individual unit होता है, that is 1,3 it is 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. So it is, write it here, so it is 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. इसका मोनोमर का स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे. So it is like, so we have butadiene, that is we have 4 carbon here, 4 carbons. Second position पे we have a methyl group. So 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. So 1 और 3 पे double bond. So this is your CH and CH2. सो दिस इज योर 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. ये मोनोमर यूनिट होता है. इससे पॉलीमर कैसे बनता है इसका? I will not go into detail. I will just show the polymer structure. So we have a polymer like this. CHH. That is your CH3 here, and then तो ये आपका मोनोमेरिक यूनिट्स होता है. एंड देन आई विल शो इट एन टाइम्स, यानी बहुत सारे पॉलीमर्स लिंक टुगेदर. तो यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर, ये जो दो डबल बॉन्ड्स थे, अब डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ बीच में आ रहा है. एंड देन फ्रॉम हियर वी हैव अनदर मोनोमेरिक यूनिट ज्वाइनिंग another monomeric unit joining from here, and I am showing it n times. So this is your natural rubber. ठीक. So this is ये जो natural rubber है इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा मेन पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि अक्सर एग्जाम में आता है इस तरह का क्वेश्चन. Natural rubber is obtained from the bark of a tree. It's obtained from the bark of a tree. जो outer covering होती है stump की, bark of a tree. The tree name is Hevea basilensis. ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. तो सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ, वी हैव वन मोर नेचुरल पॉलीमर दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द इट्स कॉल्ड एज द बार्क ऑफ ए ट्री कॉल्ड एज हेविया basilensis. ठीक हो गया. एक अदर टाइप पॉलीमर होता है, एक नेचुरल पॉलीमर, दैट इज लेट मी शो इट हियर. Another polymer that is called as a Gattapercha. इस पे क्वेश्चन अक्सर आता है कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में. तो Gattapercha, it is the same form of the polymer, लेकिन what it is actually, it's a transform. It's a transform of 1,3-butadiene. What do you mean by transform? अगर हम इसको अरेंज करें थोड़ा सा इस पॉलीमर को, if I can rewrite this polymer, I can show it by this. Can show it by this form. I can show it this way also. So it becomes cis because ये दो groups जो है, they are on the same side, whereas that CH3 it is on the different side. So this is the cis form of the polymer, which is called as the cis form of the polymer. So while as if what you do, one thing, you take this chain on this side. अगर हम इसको इस साइड में ले ले, for example, I will do it like this. I will keep H here. So this becomes CH2. आप देखिए ये दो ग्रुप्स जहां पे चेन फर्दर प्रोसीड हो रही है, दे आर ऑन द अपोजिट साइड, सो इट बिकम्स ट्रांस. तो ये जो Gattapercha है, दिस इज द ट्रांसफॉर्म, अनदर टाइप. और जो नेचुरल रबर होता है, दिस आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस नेचुरल रबर व्हिच ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द ट्रीज ऑफ द बार्क, दैट इज योर सिस फॉर्म, व्हाइल एज Gattapercha इज योर ट्रांसफॉर्म. ठीक. So this is some basic information. So this was all about the natural polymers which are obtained from the plants and animals. For example, natural rubber and or Gattapercha. So this is one. Now go to the second example, that is synthetic polymers. As the word suggests us, that these polymers are prepared synthetically in the lab. So synthetic polymers, ये lab में prepared होते, they are prepared in the lab. So they are man-made, I should say. So they are man-made. Simple. That's why they are called as synthetic polymers. So they are prepared in the lab. For example, we'll take some important examples. There are many examples. Butadiene styrene. It's called butadiene styrene. Buna S. One example. Another example, butadiene acrylonitrile, Buna N. One more example is neoprene. ये बहुत ही important है, neoprene. यहाँ मैं इसके डेप्थ में नहीं जाऊंगा, जस्ट शॉर्ट. ब्यूटाडाइन स्टायरीन मीन्स यहाँ पे ये जो पॉलीमर इट इज मेड ऑफ 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन मोनोमर, यानी ये रिपीटिंग यूनिट्स है, प्लस स्टायरीन. So this is your butadiene styrene. Sorry, this is your butadiene styrene. And then we have 1,3 butadiene. Same unit will repeat here. Plus acrylonitrile. We'll discuss this later. इसके बाद नियोप्रीन. Now नियोप्रीन is the same as the natural rubber, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो मिथाइल ग्रुप है that is, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. It is instead of that methyl group we have a chloride group here, chlorine atom. So this is your CH2, CCH2. This is your neoprene. तो इसका monomeric unit is, this is called neoprene. While as natural rubber में we had methyl group here. That is why that natural rubber is also called as isoprene. The natural rubber is also called as, the example, it's called isoprene. तो ये sometimes asked in the question. So in isoprene we have a methyl group at the number 2 position. In the neoprene we have a chloride group. So the synthetic polymers which are made by the human beings in the lab, examples are butadiene styrene, butadiene acrylonitrile, neoprene, and these are the individual units, yeah, the monomeric units by which it's prepared. ये हम last में देखेंगे in the incoming lectures. Now the third example, semi-synthetic. As the word suggests, semi means half, partial. So they are partially synthetic, means they are basically natural polymers, but something has been added to these polymers, some additive, so we have added some synthetic material. Some synthetic component is added to them so as to get their properties better or to make their certain properties improved. So they are basically natural properties but added with some synthetic components or some chemical compounds so as to transform their properties, so as to modify their properties. They are called semi-synthetic. Example, so example is, for example, you have the best example, the rubber, it is treated with, which is usually natural rubber, which is usually sticky on heating, so it is treated with sulfur, and this is called as vulcanized rubber. ये भी हम पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में, vulcanized rubber. So this is your semi-synthetic example, or you can take another important example, that is cellulose diacetate polymer. Cellulose diacetate polymer. Cellulose diacetate polymer is basically the cellulose is obtained from the plants, a natural polymer, and that cellulose is treated with, it is treated with the compound that is diacetate, and it is basically acylated. इसमें हम include करते हैं with the help of acetic anhydride acetylation. Acyl group is this one. So we are introducing this acyl group. This is called acyl function. So with the help of acetic anhydride, so that the polymer which becomes is called cellulose diacetate polymer. That's a semi-synthetic polymer. So this is the simplest and the basics of the classification of polymers. One of the classification of polymers that's based upon the source. हमारे पास कौन सा source है जहाँ से हम polymer obtain करते हैं. So based upon the source, our polymer can be natural, synthetic and semi-synthetic. So this is all about जहाँ से competitive exam में question आता है या आपका जो exam है उसमें जो related question या जो भी material question आ सकता है. So this is all for the day. So in the next lecture we'll move to the next classification of the polymers.